In this video we'll discuss how to add, edit, delete a news article. So again, you're going to go ahead and log into your control panel, and under your administration favorites, if you have this set up, you can go ahead and select it here. If you don't, news article is in the communications area. Click on that and you'll notice the same option is right here. I have it set to my favorites, so I'm going to go back and go ahead and select this, and the first thing we'll do is just create kind of a test. And this is the caption or the bold that you'll see on the website. In this area you have about, I don't know, 1 to 2 sentences that you can put in before it runs out of room. So test article we'll just put here. We can add a photo or some other image if you want by browsing and adding it, giving the image a caption. And then down here in this area is the actual web page when you click on the news article that people will see. So let's just put some information in here a couple times so you can see how that works. And then there are some formatting capabilities, so we can take some information and bold it or italicize it. If you wanted to create bullets, you can do so here by going like this, or if you wanted to use bullets, you could switch out and put in bullets. Some pretty basic HTML editing that you can do to the site. At this area of the news article, which will be consistent with all features when you're adding and editing things like articles and web pages and so forth, you're going to see an email list form. This basically allows you to choose from your team who you want to receive an email announce that this is now available. So you can pick players and parents. These emails are actually drawn from the registration area when you signed up, so most of these emails are really going to be parents, but you can go ahead. When I want it to go out to the team, I'm going to send players and parents to be safe. Email subscription list, that is if anyone subscribes to your team on the home page. So that may not be a team member, could be somebody else. If you want them to receive the information, you can go ahead and pick this. The rest of the interface you can just read through and decide who you want it to go to. Generally you're not going to be sending to the referees, but if you have a situation in which you'd like it to go to those referees, you can choose this option and then which groups you want it to go to. And again, just check these boxes to see who they are. If you need to choose multiple people within this box, you do so by making your first selection, holding down the control key, and then hitting your second selection. That's the way you can go and selectively pick the people within this list that you want it to go to. That's it for choosing how to send to emails out when you post this page. If you choose not to select any of these, then it won't go out to anyone. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to make sure that I'm not sending it to anybody. I'm going to hide this form. Our last thing to do is actually post it to the site, so I'll hit save. You can see here it's been submitted. The message was not sent because I didn't choose anybody. Now if we want to see what is on the page, we can go up and view the website, and we'll go to the Bantam A page, and you'll notice when we get to the Bantam A page there's a new news article. This was that title that we gave it. This is where you can put in a sentence or two. You can see there's a limited area, and then when you click on the full story is when you'll get into the web page that's designed to show the people what you had in there, what information you had in there, and there you can see the copy that we placed inside. Now if you want to edit a news article, again you just go back to the news article area. You'll notice there'll be a list over here on the right of all the articles you've created. We can click edit. And again, you can make any changes you want, just like you did when you created it. And again, if you want to send out emails, then you want to fill out this area of your form. Once you're done, hit save, and you will be have edited that page. Let's just go ahead as an example, and we'll delete some of this information, and then we'll go ahead and save it. Back to our website, just to confirm that the changes we made took place. And you can see if I go into the news article, those last bullets have been deleted. The last thing you can do now is you can delete that news article if it's no longer relevant. Again, go back into the edit news article area. Now you'll see a list of your articles, and you can go ahead and delete news article. Anything that you delete over here, you can, if you have multiple ones, you can choose which ones you want to delete. Go ahead and confirm. It's going to give you one last chance to back out, because once you do this, you're not going to get that article back. We'll go ahead and delete it, and go to our website and verify that the work that we just did has been executed, and you'll see there's no news articles.